Tired of chasing down notaries and dealing with piles of paperwork? Well, get ready to ditch the hassle because in the next minute, I'm going to show you how to use Remote Online Notarization, or RON, with Docusign, making notarizing documents easier and more convenient than ever before. First, log into your Docusign account, or create one if you haven't already. You'll need a Docusign account with access to the Notary feature. Next, upload the documents you need notarized. Make sure it's in a supported format like PDF. Now, select the Request Notary option. Docusign will guide you through the process of designating the recipients that need to sign the document. Choose a certified RON provider from the available options within Docusign and schedule your notarization session. You'll typically need to provide some basic information for identity verification. During your scheduled session, you'll connect with a live, certified notary via video call. They'll verify your identity, witness your signing, and apply their digital seal. Once the notarization is complete, you'll receive a fully executed and legally binding document with the notary's digital seal and signature. You can then download or share the notarized document directly from Docusign. Congratulations! You have now successfully used RON with Docusign.